What if the strategies of Europe's greatest leaders could sharpen your mind today? Imagine standing on the edge of history, where Vikings, Romans, and Greeks mastered not only battles, but their own minds. In silence, they found focus. In solitude, clarity. In ritual, precision. Today, we unlock their wisdom to enhance your mental performance, resilience, and discipline. In the misty fjords of Norway, warriors trained their minds as sharply as their swords. Solitude was not loneliness, it was a forge. Each decision honed instinct, each dawn strengthened clarity. The ancients understood that mastery of self precedes mastery of the world. Their focus was deliberate, their calm unshakable, their actions precise.
Within the stone walls of medieval castles, leaders followed strict routines. Every gesture, every ritual, every morning meditation shaped their mental resilience. Even in fleeting moments, they practiced strategy, foresaw consequences, and strengthened resolve. Discipline wasn't a burden, it was the weapon of the mind.
Maps, battle plans, and strategic marks on parchment weren't just tools, they were extensions of the mind. Roman generals and Celtic warriors visualized outcomes, predicted obstacles, and adapted instantly. Modern life demands the same mental acuity, planning, foresight, and the courage to act decisively. In snow-covered forests or rolling highlands, ancient leaders observed nature's lessons. Footprints, wind direction, and terrain shaped their strategy. Awareness of the environment sharpened perception. Today, your environment still offers hidden cues. Notice them, adapt, and act with precision. Every scar on a battlefield, every trial faced alone, strengthened resilience. Leaders reflected nightly by candlelight, writing, meditating, preparing for tomorrow. Mental endurance comes from repeated challenges, thoughtful reflection, and the courage to face uncertainty with composure. Vikings, Romans, and Greeks knew the mind and body are inseparable. Physical training, proper nutrition, and disciplined routines fueled mental performance. Strength, energy, and vitality are prerequisites for clarity and focus. You cannot conquer the mind without honoring the body.
Stoics, Norse seers, and Celtic sages practiced philosophical contemplation daily. They questioned impulses, trained patience, and sought truth in silence. Applying these lessons today helps you manage stress, sharpen judgment, and act with wisdom beyond your years.
History reveals unexpected shifts, battles lost, victories turned, alliances broken. The best leaders adapted instantly, reading subtle cues and changing course. Mental flexibility, the ability to pivot, and the courage to embrace uncertainty define mastery, then as now.
The wisdom of ancient European leaders is not just history, it is a blueprint for modern mental mastery. Discipline your mind, strengthen your body, observe the world, and act decisively. Stand tall in the footsteps of giants. Today, you unlock the strategies that shaped empires and sharpen your mind for the challenges ahead.